St. Stephen's Cathedral. Hello Georgers, it's me, it's Jeremy. Welcome to my channel, and today we're en route to Budapest, Hungary. It's gonna be my first time, and it's exciting kasi magko-cross country tayo, no? From Austria here in Vienna to Hungary in Budapest. So let's go. We're taking a Railjet, and
so we're on our way to Budapest, and merong tulog na tulog. So after 2 hours siguro gisingin ko siya, magkakape. Hello. Hello.
so we just arrived Budapest Keleti, and we have no idea where we're going, but we'll figure it out together.
Yeah. Dito laging tawa ng tawa mga tao.
Kasi
Laging kinikileti.
ano ka ba? Lahat ng tao dito sinasabi nila, wag dyan.
Wag dyan. May kiliti ako dyan.
So we're here in New York Cafe, and grabe po yung pila. Ayan po yung pila. So mga 20 minutes na tayo naghihintay, malapit na tayo sa pinto. Dito guys, deserve naman pala talaga. Ang galing lang, they just played Bella Ciao, which is one of our wedding songs. Ang galing, ang galing. Wala lang, sumakta yung moment. Ito yung money shot, ito yung photo op area. Ayan. So he ordered a cappuccino that's dusted with gold. Ako Americano. Since nasa New York Cafe. Ayan. Hi! Hello! You can see sir, it's Benny, and the goulash. So whenever you're here in Budapest in Hungary or anywhere in Eastern Europe, you must try their local dish, and that includes their goulash. Parang kaldereta. Nung sa Vienna naman, meron tayong parang bulalo. Ito parang kaldereta naman. And that was New York Cafe for you guys, and sobrang enjoy naman. Would I recommend for you to go here or to try it kung nasa Budapest kayo at pumila? I would say yes for the experience, no?
Look at the pila, oh.
Oh, ito yung pila, oh.
Since the time we arrived, ganyan ang pila, mas mahaba.
Yeah. So our bill was around 30,200. Ano yung currency nila? Basta 30,210 in their currency, which is around 4,700 pesos in our currency. 3 meal na yun, tapos 2 drink. Hindi na masama. Tapos may ganyan ka, nasa most beautiful cafe in the world ka pa. Diba? So we just arrived our second location here in Budapest. It's called the Vácsdahunyad Castle. parang glühwein or yung mainit na wine, iniinom tuwing malamig na panahon. So this is called the Museum of Fine Arts pala. And may exhibition ngayon yung Mesopotamian exhibition. Siyempre, huwag kayong papasok sa loob. Doon lang kami sa shop. Dahil kasama mo si Jonifer Santos. Yun lang ang interest niya. Punta sa shop, mamamolekta ng art piece. So from Budapest Museum of Fine Arts, we now go to Retro Langos to try their langos. And based from research, dun daw masarap ang langos. Very authentic daw how they prepare it. So let's go. So we're in Retro Langos. Pila pa din. They press the dough, fry it, and then put toppings in it, and then you get langos. That easy. Ito, not a paid ad, pero alam mo, maasahan talaga si BDO Debit. Kahit wala kang dalang cash, yun pwede mong bayad. Galing. So that was very filling, and meron din sila mga gluten-free options. I just saw it, no? So since marami tayo nakain, dapat marami rin ang lakad. And ang next lakad natin, we're going to St. Stephen's Cathedral. So we finally chanced upon a chimney cake. Ayan siya, it's vegan. So dahil masungat sila ate dun sa nagtitinda ng chimney cake,
Huwag po kayo bibili doon. Kung pupunta kayo ng Budapest,
okay,
wag na wag.
Sa may kanto malapit sa may St. Stephen. Pipin ko yung location dito, ha? Send ko sa inyo. There's always a better way of saying things. You can say, no, you can't take photos. Pero hindi, sinigawan po kami. Eh, nakapila na kami para bumili. So, nawala na lang kami ng gana, di ba? Paano kapag gaganahan? If you're turned away like that. Ayan, so the name is Fitzkey Chimney Cake. Ayan. Huwag po kayo dyan bibili. Marami, I'm sure, na mga bilihan ng chimney cake na hindi masungit tulad nila. At di nireregla. So this is the train station, and this is the most beautiful McDonald's in the world. Arguably the most beautiful McDonald's in the world. We have yet to see. Tingnan muna natin. This is it, Georges and Jerry. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating day trip to our second country to visit together, na first time namin mapuntahan. Ito ang Budapest, Hungary.
Yes.
Ayan, so abangan nyo yung next vlog natin. Another travel adventure ito for sure. And salamat for your continued support, Georges and Jerry. Promise, looking forward to cook for all of you again soon. So kung may mga request kayo, comment nyo lang down below.
Ako na mag-a-assist sa cooking niya.
Oh, wala naman. Tuturo mo lang kay Lamana.
Cooking mang title cooking ng ina.
Sige, pilit mo. Cooking ng asawa ko.
Cooking ng asawa ko.
Ayan. Sige na. So naputol yung Vienna natin eh. Tuloy na natin ulit. Dito na kami sa Vienna Hauptbahnhof.
Ano daw?